In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and conduct an online exam using Google Forms. We'll walk through creating the form, writing clear instructions, adding and grading questions, previewing your exam, and finally sharing it with your students. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning quiz that's ready to go. First, create a new form. Open Google Forms and click on Blank to start from scratch. This gives you a clean slate for your exam. At the top, set your form title and description. Click on the title field and type the name of your exam, like Math Exam. Then click the description field to add clear instructions for students. Include what they should do before starting, how to submit, and any rules you need them to follow. Good instructions reduce confusion and help students feel confident. Now, begin adding your questions. On the right-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to add a new question. Click into the question text and type it exactly as you want it to appear. Use the drop-down beside the question to choose the format. Multiple choice for one correct answer, checkbox if more than one option can be correct, short answer for brief responses, or paragraph for longer explanations. Once the question looks right, scroll to the bottom and toggle Required to On. This ensures students can't skip the question, which is important for complete submissions. Next, enable quiz mode so the form can grade answers for you. Click the settings gear in the upper right, go to the Quizzes tab, and toggle. Make this a quiz to on. Choose when to release grades, either immediately after submission, which gives instant feedback, or later after manual review, which is useful if you have short answers or paragraphs to check. Click Save to apply these settings. For questions you want auto-graded, add an answer key. Click the question, then click Answer key. Select the correct answer or answers. For checkbox questions, be sure to mark every correct option. Students must match them to earn points. Assign the number of points for the question, then click Done. Repeat this for each auto-graded item. Before sharing, preview the exam. Click the preview icon in the upper right. A new tab opens so you can test the form exactly as students will see it. Confirm that required questions are enforced and that point values look correct. When you're ready to share, click the purple Publish button in the upper right. Choose whether to copy a link, email it, or embed it on a site. If you choose Copy Link, click it to place the link on your clipboard, and you're set to distribute your exam.